Osunu.
For Nigeria, they with Ambassador Dion Osage, you did for America, you did for Canada, you did for Italy, you did for France, you did for South Africa, you did for Ghana, anywhere you did for the world. But we did for Benin City and those states outside Nigeria, and I did with Ambassador Dion Osage. Wasunu. Now you go 20 countries and how many cities you go?
Yes.
Then like, I'm surprised when you come from Lagos to Benin, you can't cry.
I must cry now.
You can't cry.
I must cry.
Why did they make you cry now?
Why I not go cry? You know they see the caliber at the end of a road. They do like, I want faint now.
Ambassador Dion, we do so many things what you don't do. What is going to happen today now for this concept?
Okay, today we do celebrating the icon. Today we celebrate Fabomo because many celebrities we don't do for us. We don't try for us. They don't forget them. So we want to reawaken the spirit of the people. May they let them know. So we get people who start all these things. Entertainment. I go Hollywood. I travel to California. I see what they use entertainment they do for there. I say, you know what? We must make entertainment great in Edo State. So we are celebrating Fabomo. We'll bless them with some things. May you know say, he get children in the diaspora. We're very proud of them, man.
Okay, now they say, many people don't they talk many things about you. Some people they talk some kind win about you. But when you come back, we can't say you can't empower women, you empower children. What will happen?
You know, we don't really care so much about what people think of us. What do they do now? Our passion. If they do anything, nobody talk bad about you. You need to check yourself. So our work, their talk, now elevate the elevators, not be anything like that.
Okay, our brothers and sisters waiting for America, waiting for Europe. Then they support you, and if they support you, what do they use what do they tell the support you they do?
Our work is very easy. Once we have case, we showcase the case. Say we need 500,000, we raise 500,000 to solve the case. So we get many members, what they call God sent family, where they all over the world, where they celebrate, where they support all our work. Recently, we do the union for Torino. Over 300 Edo people come there from around the world. Patanjo Omoruyi, Victor Ojo, so many people, they enter that ground because of us.
Ambassador Dion Osage, anywhere you did for the world, for America, Europe, South Africa, anywhere you did, what will be your mission?
My mission is to create better day for everybody, no matter who you be. If you're an entertainer, I want to create a platform for you. If you're a farmer, I want to create a platform for you to farm. I want people to live above the average, because people they suffer. So my mission is to see a better day for the people.
Now, we don't see you they collaborate with what to make you they celebrate our legend now?
I don't tell you before, my brother, as you be so, no matter how you old rich, if I will encourage my children, make them celebrate people like you, because when they are abroad, when they see what you they do, your video they go viral for abroad. Say, but Osunu, believe me or not, people who know you for abroad, pass the people who know you for Benin. No light to watch now. People who value you for abroad, pass the whole Benin, because your work they open people's eyes. People they see say, ah, that's how our country be. I bet my brother, may you continue. You are an icon. You be icon.
But we celebrate and thank the time we talk to us. So show them.
This is all don't hold now.
One big day, unforgettable day in my life. Unforgettable day in my life. It's a day like this.
You can see one good thing. 17 cannot be shared by 2. It's high alone.
That's a popular song. Itendo. What year?
That was 1988. 1988.
And you're still watching strong.
Very well.
So what is your advice for other upcoming Benin musicians?
Yes, they should sit down and forget about what obituary engagement is all about. Because they are all singing to praise obituary so that they may be engaged. No, they should sit down and write well, meaningful words that can encourage life. That's what I have to tell them. They are all my friends, they are all good, but they should work harder to write songs that gives life, encourage life, and build the immune system of the music man listening to. It may be so. The after me no romunu. Tell me I can't go. Maybe we can make better. How we gonna know it?
What's the meaning of that?
It's like if you are the talkative of a person, you hardly be one in the case because you are a talkative. You don't listen to people. You talk and talk and talk.
Best congratulations. Nigerian superstar, Benin-born actor, director, Lekema International. What do you have to say about the icon Fabomo that we are celebrating today?
Fabomo is an enigma, whether you like it or not. He is one of the very few people who turn Edo music to what it is today. He took it from the local level to the level it is now. So it's a very good thing that somebody like John Osage can remember and say, okay, I want to celebrate him. That's why I'm here. I like what is good, I like what is trending. You know, Fabomo is past, present, and tomorrow. So that's why I'm here.
Congratulations. I think we are celebrating a man that has paid his dues. Fabomo is the only Edo man that sings in parable. No other Benin man does that. So it stands out. And as we speak, Fabomo's music, Itendo, is as old as most of us. A music he played over 40 years ago. If you still play it today, people want to listen. So to me, it's worth celebrating. Thank God we are celebrating when he's alive, not when he's dead. Yes.
Let's hear you.
He can't tell me no one. Tell me no one can. I can't fall. Marry when he went beso. You know not that. Atama mege yuje. Oh my God, na yayi. Emi nu yoma o. Iya mama nu.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Alpha, Constant Foundations, what did happen? Why are you guys celebrating Fabomo today?
Yeah, Fabomo.
I don't hear English.
Yeah, Fabomo too good. Do you know now we've carried Fabomo from Benin go in 1986. So person when I small, he go play for our house 1986. I say I celebrate today. Now better thing now. And he deserves many musicians day for this Benin when they see deserve and Sunday when they never reach to deserve because Fabomo na man when we say everybody like anywhere for this world, no country where they know they play Itendo.
You have sing the music.
Yes, all the whole Fabomo music, I get all of them.
Go. So this left comrade Omobude. Let me this now. What do you have to say about our icon Fabomo?
Yes, Fabomo the legend, real legend. See, the man, I don't do the song when we say man. All men no say they sing. That's the highest. Other musicians are good. Fabomo is great. An icon for the real, you know.
You have sing any of the music?
Well now, who don't sing Fabomo music? Born on the yard, you know they. Yeah. We know that one. Everybody knows that. You got tell me no Romunu. Me no pass. Many man go sing. Me never ask for copyright to. I never shout.
Correct. Daddy, how are you?
Very fine. You are the zero from Pakistan. You are here with me this moment.
What do you have to say about Fabomo, this icon?
Fabomo has been a very close friend for a very long time. He has been very constant. He's a man that we all owe some respect, some honor. So when he just told me that he been honored here, even though he told me yesterday, I said I'm gonna be a witness.
Can you sing any of them? Any of them?
Yes. It's I find it difficult to speak Benin. Although I'm from Ishan. But yes. Oh yeah. I love his music from the road. You are so blessed. Also no.
Thank you. Greet you. What do you talk about this Fabomo? Fabomo, how you see him?
A great man. The next shit is coming for Nigeria. He's a great icon. They're really supposed to celebrate him more than himself. He's a great man, wonderful man, humble man, very humble to earth. He carry everybody along. He's not just because he's a big musician. Now let people deal with everybody. Everybody. I love this thing that we did.
But what did your ambassador tell us? I can do you see him.
Very, very great. Very great. He's a great man. He brings people together. Yes, he's a very great man.
Come. Things they happen, no? But in case you wonder where they're there for Ambassador John Sage. Baboko. Hey! How you doing?
I'm fine.
This is a cultural dance, Abi?
Yes.
What dance? Yes. Correct, eh? How are you? Shake me. Yes. Well, soon, you know, understand our culture people. Correct. Might go meet some people. Hey! Everywhere is just a suburb for here. Yes, so sit down there. How you doing, sister?
I'm the
Today we celebrate Fabomo.
Oh yes.
What do you need to talk about this man?
Yes, so the great man. It has always been the best music. Even when I was a kid, it was the best music I ever loved. That is Etienne Do.
You're a singer?
Yes, now.
Singer now?
You sure say you go singer? I know if you sing all the words in it, but you tell me no wrong, no. Na.
Sister, how you doing?
I do.
Today we celebrate Fabomo. You know the man music.
I know Sabian like that.
You know if you sing any of your music, but we are happy that you are here.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Yeah, they come. You don't hear Fabomo music before?
Of course.
I lie. You don't hear music before?
I don't hear him.
Sing up. Like
Oh my God.
Sing anyone.
Atama me yeri uje. Omaku me ya yaji. Emi no yomao. Ni awo mama no hi. I love
But do you love what Ambassador Tiano Sage is doing?
Of course, who will not? Of course. It's a godsend, you know. We that live Hopetown, we see everything that he's doing. He's really trying. God will bless you. And I've been seeing you almost every day.
Thank you. This is KC.
Hey,
in case you don't know, there are some of us who be say we don't the street. And we see the street. This business not let us come up, but we thank God say the grace of God on the shower us.
Yes, so not be small thing. How far now?
Fabomo na icon.
Yes, so.
The man they want to be celebrated.
Yes. Yes, they want to be celebrated. But the point is say, Benin people not they respect their own. Not be for mad. Now me talking, Benin people not they respect their own. Yes.
Why you talk so?
Because for this time you get Victor Ifo, you get you get Kabaman, you get Usaimore, you get Fabomo. This one I mentioned, so 6 of them. Now they mentor all the children where they sing music for Benin today. How much government don't give them? Government, from 1999 to today, government never give them 1 million naira. Go to all their houses. Now you go not say we they fail as Benin people. If you say that they carry Sonia there for Lagos, so that they learn from where some people musicians there for Benin. Okay? get one guitar when they do 1968. What they do, I do music legend, they carry digital come out. That's why I shame and they look like this. Now Benin man,
So it could make many people waiting all over the world.
I think they need to celebrate their own. They go carry.
So the point is say, if you talk about others, but maybe not measure Victor iPhone name inside. But that one don't chop government money. Don't just come out on one side.
So they're gonna do show. They go pay other leg Sonny Ade 10 million naira. They'll go give Benin musician 250,000 naira. Okay. So what is the man do? This man they celebrate so.
What do you see on the do so? How you see him?
It makes sense. They honor the man because you know why all this kind of thing I keep them alive. If you don't know them like this, when you see their life, young man gonna say why you want play music. You go see this man. This man is the most played Benin song. I get one friend when he travel go abroad 1996. Now this song they let to speak Benin. KC, my brother man. KC. Now this industry we know what they fuck up.
So even myself too, they don't value us.
Benin people value you. They want make you fair now. Not see. Yoruba boy. Yoruba boy go enter Lagos. When you see Yoruba musician, he go say Twale. He go give him money. Benin person. He go say Gagbonore. Osingwa. Ona Singwa.
I thank everybody for the time when I say they watch us on Top ITV. Watch us for YouTube. Watch us for Facebook. Watch us for Instagram. Watch us for TSTV. Watch us for GoTV. This is the Apple. Hey! Hey! Okay, and then we spoke Prince, one of the organizers for this God Sent Foundation. How you doing, my brother?
About my well.
Correct, Abeg, this celebration of Fabomo, how you see it?
Well, now what we plan say we're gonna do every now and then. We started last year, say we're gonna celebrate our Edo legends, whether they're there or they're not there, but when they're alive, we need to make them happy. They're not gonna be the one when go sing. Now we go package, make them go enjoy, make them hear, say people sing for them.
Okay, let's talk about God Sent Ambassador John Osage. How you see what this Ambassador John Osage they do, God Sent Foundation?
Now what did Jesus for do to say still alive? He said, Jesus say, I came to continue. Now what did Jesus for like make all of us they do? Maybe they help the other brother. You know, Jesus personally washed the feet of his disciple to tell us say humble, help your brother. So John Osage, any other thing when people know him for, it not count. What thing you supposed to know for and say it they help. Less people let children, women, or anybody when not know.
You they work with them.
Now maybe brand manager. Okay. As a company of my own, I be brand manager.
Say all the things we be saying, all the things where they support God Sent all over the world. What thing that they use it? So people say that they use it, say that for one.
Anything when people must, anything when they have people must talk. Ambassador John Osage, if people go in Facebook, they go see projects when they ground. Projects many. So now be everything when people talk, be true, some. Now just gossip, son, and hatred. As you be so, people they talk bad of you even as you they trek up and down. So if people give her money, he not gonna beg the people say by force. He can't say give me money, I want to do this. People use their mind. And people they see what thing they do.
And thank you for the time they talk to us. Smoke Prince operator.
Of this God Sent Foundation. Because initially he's my very good friend. he knows that for somebody like me to have stand firm in all kinds of his body that you have to be part of. And with this opportunity given to me as the chairman on this occasion, I'm using this very privilege to tell every brothers and sisters out there who are not here, that are hearing us today, to understand that God-sent family is here to stay. God-sent family is here to promote the interest and the betterness of Edo, and to promote the cultural heritage of the Edo people, and also to support our father of Edo. In Jesus' mighty name we pray.
Thank you very much. That was a wonderful one time. We're gonna be doing it as it can. So the next on the list is introduction. We're just gonna quickly introduce ourselves. So because it's not a cordless mic, so we won't be able to pass the mic, and we don't want to make it rowdy. So you're just gonna stand up. We're gonna start from, apart from the front row here and the other side, we're going to be starting from those behind us. Just tell us your name, stand up, tell us your name and the country you're from.
Hello, are you happy? Look your neighbor and tell your neighbor you are welcome with your language. Shake your neighbor, it's very important. I know why. My name is Roland Ibadume, aka former senior special advisor to Edo State Government, an aspirant just passed election, a former comedian, and I live in Nigeria. Thank you.
Akube, how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in one accord. This is the word of God. My name is Comrade Saint, all the way from UK, London.
Thank you, Saint. Thank you. Akube. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ambassador J.J. Barry. I'm from the United Kingdom. Thanks for coming.
Akube. My name is Don Daly, all the way from Belgium.
Akube. Yeah, my name's Honorable Taju Omori from Toronto, Canada. Let me use this opportunity to reiterate, to please beg every one of us here. We are one family. We have one goal. It's love and unity. We don't want mockery. Please, whatever, if you know you are not comfortable, let us know. Please, we are all here as a family member. Thank you.
Akube Skinia, all the way from Amsterdam, Holland.
Akube.
My name is Destiny Ibagwa.
Yo. Torino, I greet you. Thanks for putting this together. I think I'm really happy to be in this midst because I live here before. And I have seen so many faces and I'm happy, you know, the togetherness. The Akube thing, our brother has just instituted into many of us. Osamede Omoinabo, I live in Dublin. Okay, you want me to put that in? Chicho Bello, if you want. I live in Dublin, and own Osamotos. Okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Osamede. Akube. Yeah. My name is Victor Ojo. Victor Ojo, one of Toronto, Canada.
Akube. Salopani mayafe Akube o. Agiria mawa, sangiria mawa.
Menoremana, social media president, Eddie Murphy. Yoga trafficking must stop. Chetroma, stop. Akube, I can't hear you. Akube, Akube. If you truly believe in the spirit of Akube, I want to hear it louder. Akube. DJ, I say you walk. All right. My name is Dion Usagi, the initiator of Akube. Thank you so much.
Akube. As you all know, this is your boy Spice Visual aka Those Swag at the dance for us.
My name is Blessed Clifford, all the way from Switzerland. Yes. I'm very grateful to see Edo people gathering here today, you know, because united we stand, divided we fall. You get why? More united. Edo, whether Edo, great Edo, about to pray. One love.
Akube. Well, my name is Aida Enoch. I came from all the way from Udine, Italy. I want to say I'm very, very happy. I mean to see every one of us here gathering together. I want to say my lovely brother, Double Chief, you're on side here. God bless you. It's a team of joy. I'm proud to have you as my brother. Not just that, as an Edoma. As a matter of fact, I'm proud to have everyone in the house gathering together in one mind. I'm happy. Akube once again.
Akube. Akube. I remember I almost said Eugene Ayemi all the way from Toronto, Canada.
Akube. My name's Ashley. If you know here, I am from the United Kingdom.
Everyone, my name is Titi Wainami and based to one of your hosts.
Sorry. I haven't done that. One more thing we're going to be doing, and it's going to be fun. And what is it? I'm still going to give to one of our grand patrons, Patanju, to reiterate or emphasize on all we've been saying.
On behalf of God Sent Foundation, led by Ambassador Dion Usagi, I just want to thank you all for coming. Because it's not easy for us to gather here this evening. At least, if not God that was in our mercy, we all came from different domains, different countries, different part of this city. At least the same God that brings us here will take us back to our different home, knowing our good heart. We only have one goal. The goal is that Edo State, the governor cannot do it all. Our daddy, Edo cannot do it all. We want to support them as God has blessed us. For example, I don't know how many years you guys have been abroad. I have been abroad for over 30 years. So I think by now, I want to believe in that late J.F. Kennedy that say, what can I do for my country, not what my country can do for me. I have tasted the good, the bad, and the ugly. Now, we have a lot of less privileged people. I remember last week I had a phone call. I do have phone calls almost every day from Nigeria. How much the guy was asking was 5,000 naira. Can you imagine that? Imagine if you cannot help that the person with 5,000 naira, before you know it, you hear that it's late. So we don't want to hear that. We all can know what is happening back there in Benin. The privilege situation is so bad that at least instead of buying a seed for about $200, $300 in the bar today, we can channel that $300 through any of these media space like our presenters. We have a lot of Edo people. Even our brother in our amigo, I remember I confronted him. I preached the same gospel to him in Toronto when we had the ENA. That was my first time meeting him physically. I told him that, my brother, we are all doing the same thing. You have a brand. It's like, let's stay in your own brand. You have xenophobia. why social media president for human trafficking and Central. The Onosai is for humanitarian. You see, we can all work together to achieve this common goal. Don't forget on the rest of what is thought now? Then, after that, I think you now see senses in what I was saying. So we have a lot of organizations we can use, both Ronnie Rosa and a host of others, both Uyedu and a host of others. Please, ladies and gentlemen, I know we don't have perfection in human being. The way I might speak might offend you or might not like it, forgive me. There's no perfection in human beings. Let's see how we can quickly see the need to help our people, the less privileged in the state. I think that will gladly be out of our daddy and the government. Thank you all for coming.
Yeah, what's up, people? This is your boy Spice Vision here from Swagger.
The social media president have something to tell us briefly. 2 minutes.
Waya wabota. Ibieto ya fe nima. Ide uwa. Onyeme 7. Igwa gogo ile ya de uwa. Oka akile enwe yes. Benu ya waya ya kugbe ya sue. Omimena oterena obi ibi famena igwa gogo yo. Eko se wonyeme. Ezolu wariri agu ya fe wa muyoto. Opo ma ihe. Ima akoko ya tolo tagbon aye. Era no migo ima aweti owe opa uma okewa. Owu ya ro temu e pie ya to da pa ma ya to ya ho. Ima re do tala ko yi. Oba atope Oba atope
Thank you very much.
Bosumu.